Hello everyone, and welcome to our Buntzen Lake adventure. Today, we're taking you to one of the most scenic spots in British Columbia, nestled in the heart of Port Moody. Buntzen Lake is the perfect escape from the city, offering everything from stunning nature trails to crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming and kayaking. As we arrived, we were immediately struck by the beauty of the surroundings: lush forests, towering mountains, and the calm, inviting lake. It's a popular spot for outdoor enthusiasts, but there's still plenty of space to find your own peaceful corner. We started our day with a leisurely walk along one of the many trails that wind through the forest, offering breathtaking views of the lake from different angles. The trails are well maintained and perfect for hikers of all skill levels, whether you're looking for a challenging hike or just a peaceful stroll. After exploring the trails, we couldn't resist the call of the water. The lake is ideal for swimming, and on a warm day, there's nothing better than taking a dip in the refreshing waters. We also spent some time kayaking, gliding across the lake's surface while taking in the serene surroundings. And if you're into fishing, Buntzen Lake is also a great spot to cast your line and enjoy some quiet time by the water. Whether you're here for the adventure or the tranquility, Buntzen Lake offers something for everyone. one of the highlights of the day was a classic Lakeside BBQ. There's something special about cooking and eating outdoors, especially when you're surrounded by such incredible natural beauty. For those looking to relax, sunbathing on the sandy beaches or having a picnic by the water is just as enjoyable. As the day came to an end, we couldn't help but feel grateful for this beautiful escape so close to home. Buntzen Lake is more than just a destination, it's an experience that leaves you feeling connected to nature and recharged for whatever comes next. If you're in the Vancouver area and looking for a day of adventure, relaxation, or both, Buntzen Lake should definitely be on your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed coming along with us today. And let us know in the comments if Buntzen Lake is now on your travel list.